Welcome to Atlas Savvy, your window to boundless adventure. Today, we're unveiling the secrets of Chefchaouen, Morocco's Blue Pearl. Tucked away in the Rif Mountains, this enchanting city is like stepping into a dream. But what makes Chefchaouen so unique? Let's explore. Chefchaouen was founded in 1471 as a fortress town and grew into a cultural crossroads over the centuries. The blue walls that make it famous today are thought to symbolize peace and spirituality. These serene hues symbolize spirituality and the heavens. While its origins are mysterious, the charm is undeniable. Today, it's a haven for photographers and wanderers alike. The Medina feels like an artist's masterpiece. Every alley is a canvas painted in shades of blue. Explore artisan shops brimming with hand-woven blankets, intricate pottery, and leather goods. Each item is a piece of Morocco's rich tradition. Take your time. Every corner hides a story waiting to be discovered. Chefchaouen is more than its streets. The Kasbah, with lush gardens and a viewing tower, offers stunning vistas. Hike to the Spanish Mosque for a sunset that will take your breath away. And at Ras El-Ma, a serene waterfall, soak in the beauty of nature while locals gather to unwind. Indulge in Morocco's culinary delights with a steaming tagine and warm khobz bread. Or sip on mint tea, a ritual that embodies Moroccan hospitality. Chefchaouen isn't just a destination, it's an experience of life at a slower, more meaningful pace. Unwind in cozy cafes and connect with locals. It's a memory you'll cherish. For adventurers, the Rif Mountains are calling. Discover the Akchour Waterfalls, where crystal-clear pools await. Hike scenic trails for panoramic views of the city and rugged landscapes. Chefchaouen is a gateway to adventure and tranquility alike. Chefchaouen isn't just a destination, it's a memory waiting to be made. Step into its blue streets, immerse in Moroccan culture, and create stories you'll never forget. Atlas Savvy, your window to boundless adventure. The world is waiting.